Ready to elevate your commute with luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology? Dive into the Bugatti 10.0 electric scooter, a premium ride redefining travel in style. This scooter isn't just a way to get around, it's a statement on wheels. From the moment you see it, the Bugatti 10.0 stands out with its sleek magnesium alloy frame, offering both durability and elegance, making every ride a comfortable and stylish experience. Safety is front and center with dual turn signals for visibility and a dual braking system for confidence. Powered by a 1,000-watt brushless motor, this scooter can reach speeds of up to 22 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest in its class. With a range of up to 33.5 miles on a single charge, it's built for longer journeys without constant recharging. What's a great ride without a smooth experience? The Bugatti 10.0 features 10-inch self-repairing tubeless tires, which means fewer maintenance headaches. Combine that with hidden rear shock absorption, and you've got a ride that feels effortless. For those who enjoy nighttime rides, this scooter takes lighting to the next level. It's equipped with illuminated deck base lights, sleek sidebar night lights, and the signature EB monogram projection logo that lights up the ground. It's not just about safety, it's about riding in style, even after dark. If you love smart tech, the Bugatti 10.0 has you covered. The touchscreen LED display is intuitive and easy to use, and you can enable an optional 4-digit passcode lock. It's a blend of functionality and innovation for total control. At 47 pounds, the scooter is portable enough to fold and carry when needed, yet sturdy enough to support riders up to 288 pounds. Its folding design makes it perfect for storage or transporting it in your car. Remember, it has an 8-hour charging time, so plan ahead to enjoy its full potential. And let's not forget the style factor. The Bugatti 10.0 electric scooter is available in 3 stunning colors: classic black, bold blue, and vibrant yellow. Whether you prefer a timeless look or a striking statement, there's a color to match your personality. The Bugatti 10.0 is more than just an electric scooter.